like very just, Hi guys, welcome back to Watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about a new cute collection. Today we're going to be talking about the new Colourpop's collection. This is the Hello Kitty collab. I want to stay in the warm orangey yellow tone kind of vibe because I know they have two other palettes, but I wanted the bright, very, very warm and bright colors. But before I get all the way into these cuties, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below, guys. And guys, again, like I said before, don't forget if you want to try out the Dossier fragrance, I do have a discount code. It is Danielle10 for 1 month only. Go ahead, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can click it and get your inexpensive perfume of your choice. So go ahead, guys, hit that link and check it out and pick out what fragrance you like. And also, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So guys, let's get into this cute collection. Ooh, I can't wait. These cute little buddies, I believe these did retail for 10 to 15 bucks on the Colourpop website, but this is also at Ulta now too because I just seen that and I was like, ooh, I gotta try me some more. The first one I have is Pineapple Cake. It's so cute. So this is a quad little palette with Hello Kitty right here in your front. It's so cute. I love me some Hello Kitty. And she has a cute little swimsuit on, her traditional bow, and then she has the cute little pineapple on her hand. Girl, I love me some pineapples. I sure do. And on the back, it does show for the quads. They have the names back there. It has the name Pineapple Cake at the top. These are the cutest little thing because this comes with a cute little mirror. I was like, I didn't know I was gonna get all that. That's mad cute. I didn't know they're gonna give me a baby little mirror in there. And it's very, very adorable. The yellow palette underneath the mirror says like a snack. That's so cute. I love that. The pretty four little shades. This is more of a pineapple lemony yellow palette. And then with the orange one, this one is called Teeny Keeny. Again, Hello Kitty right in the front. This time she is with a fruity little drink. She's very cute. I didn't know they were all different at the top. I thought they were all her holding the pineapple. And this one on the back is kind of bluish kind of colors. Again, a mirror once again in this cutie. But at the top of the mirror it says what does it say? It says itsy bitsy teeny keeny. It's so cute. And of course you get these cute little four shades in the palette. Very, very cute. They have cute little polka dots in the inside around the rim. It's so cute. These palettes do have magnetic closures. I do love that about these palettes. Very small and compactable. It's just very, very, very cute. I was like, they didn't have to make it as cute. I feel like this is very good packaging for the cute little size that they are. And the last but not least is the Pineapple Pop Lip Scrub. This is very, very cute. This packaging in this box is adorable. Has a pop-up of Hello Kitty's head at the top. Very, very cute. Then it has a cute little Hello Kitty in the front again. She's holding that pineapple. Very, very cute. So at the top, it shows Hello Kitty is very, very cute right at the top. This is a thicker kind of lip scrub. Again, just like the Lizzie McGuire one, it is a fuller container. It is bigger than I thought it would be. Blurred out hard plastic. The container, I do like that. But when you do open this, it does have that pineapple kind of yellow tinted color to it. This packaging for Hello Kitty, they did pretty well. It's very, very cute. Mission accomplished. So guys, I did give you two looks as you can tell. I broke down the lip scrub as well. So if you guys want to check that all out and you want to see how to get this look, stay tuned. guys enjoyed the looks, because I know I did. This was cute. Let's get back into these palettes. Start off with the Pineapple Cake one. So this does have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers in the Pineapple Cake palette. The 2 shimmers are Sandy and La Pina. And then to the core, So Sweet is the 2 matte shades at the bottom. Now, one thing that's cute about these palettes is it actually did have an imprint of a pineapple in the shade To the Core. I wish these smell like pineapple, but I know it's not good for the eyes, but I wish it did, like artificially. I don't know. I wish it did though. This palette is very, very cute. I love an all yellow palette. You guys seen it on my channel before. I'm always looking for like the best yellow to complement my skin because I am a yellow, warmer, golden undertone. So if a yellow really pops on my eye and I don't have to use white base or nothing, that's a pretty good yellow because usually it'll wash away with my undertone. That's just how the undertones work in your skin, you know? But this palette, I really, really enjoyed the Sandy shade. That is the one I got right in the inner corner. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then So Sweet, that matte is really, yeah, like a burnt yellow. That makes any sense. It's very pretty. I wish I did smoke that out all over my eyes, but I did use To the Core in the background because I thought this would be so much darker, but these are not too far from each other, too dark in my opinion. So I would recommend probably just using So Sweet because that's the one that's going to show up, especially if you're golden undertone like me. Mattes, to me, they do what they need to do. They're very cute, but to me, the So Sweet one was the best one out of the mattes. So between Sandy and La Pina, I believe the Sandy one is the best. It's just so, it's buttery smooth. It's like a super shock shadow. It's really, really nice. But again, just like To the Core and La Pina, I think those two would be very pretty on each other, but those are the ones that are just like, But the So Sweet and the Sandy, those are ones that are like, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Pigmentation, smooth, buttery, one swipe, give it to me. I don't have an all yellow mini palette. This one's a really, really cute one, y'all. If y'all like bright, summery yellow, even if yellow is just your favorite color, and you're like, I just like his yellow, you'll love it, period, because it gives you cute different versions of yellow. It's cute. And then we have, of course, the Teeny palette. I'm just gonna cut to the chase. All colors, pigmented as hell, amazing, beautiful, stunning, exquisite. And the mattes are actually switched around in this palette. Instead of both of the mattes being at the bottom like the yellow palette, they have it crisscross, applesauce. The 2 shimmers are named Beachy and Sandcastle. I'm gonna tell you right now, which I'm a little bit shocked, Sandcastle, the darker shimmer, is my favorite. I love it. So the mattes are Hula Hoop and Itsy Bitsy. Now, out of the oranges, I have to say, but you know, actually I can't choose between either one of the mattes. Both of the mattes of these oranges performed beautifully. Gave me this beautiful warm orangey look. I thought again like, oh, I've had an orange palette before. It's all right, but no, this one hit really nice. And I think too, maybe because the orange palette I had before, it had like 8 to 10 colors and I'm like, how many oranges can you make? Once you make 2 oranges, you kind of got it all, you know? This one, they gave me all different variations. This one is a very, very nice one. I love it. Last but not least is the Pineapple Pop Lip Scrub. Y'all, I love Colourpop's lip scrubs. Every time they come up with a lip scrub now, I'm just like, okay, yeah. I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. This one smells so freaking edible. A little bit goes a long way again. So again, they gave you a big amount, just like the Lizzie one. They gave you a huge amount that you're like, it's gonna take me like 10 years to get through this. But it's really, really good. Now, one thing I liked about this one, I don't think the Liz McGuire one had the exact same texture as this one. The Pineapple Pop, to me, seems like they put a lot more oil in it in this time. And I love it. It melted down the sugars just right. This one, I have to admit, out of the lip scrubs that I got from Colourpop so far, I believe this one is the best one so far. I was like, ooh, it was so, so nice. I was like, man, because I thought, I was like, well, I love that Lizzie one. I love it. This one, I was like, I love it. Y'all, and then when you go out to the store, you got your mask on, and if you put this on, and you put like a little pineapple gloss or like a non-scented gloss, the smell of the pineapple still is underneath there. It's really, really good. I love this one so much. Very, very nice. The oils in it are very good. They just melt away that sugar. You guys looking for a good citrusy, very summery scented lip scrub? Get the Pineapple Pop. I'll tell you that. So overall, I think this little collection was adorable. I do want to try the 2 other palettes because now I'm like, since those are very nice, I am tempted to see what the other from the collection has to bring it off. I have to admit, I do like the palettes. But if you don't get anything, guys, in this collection at all, I would get the Pineapple Pop Scrub. You can't go wrong with Colourpop's lip scrub. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong. Their lip masks too are bomb, but the scrubs are hit. And all these are quite affordable. So either one that you do, you're not like breaking the bank. You're not saying, oh, this was so much more expensive than that one. They all pretty much are in the same range. But if you want a palette, I would highly recommend, especially for pigmentation, I would recommend the orange palette, which is teeny keeny. And most people that want a warmer look to the eye, even when it's cold outside, you wear this look and it be popping. The yellow one, I feel like people that are my bright and sunny morning people, which I am not, I think you would like this palette then. You like the bright eye opener palette. I feel like this is a look. Like I should just go outside with 2 different eye colors. I feel like this is very cute. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. I would like to know which one of these color ranges, even the other 2, is your favorite out of this Hello Kitty collection, period. Or did you just like the lip scrub? Let me know in the comments below. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.